The Silent Ballet of Colors. In a town touched by a perpetual sunset, a solitary artist named Elena discovered a hidden gift. With every brushstroke, her paintings came to life, emitting vibrant hues that danced in the air. As the colors swirled, they created stories, a silent ballet that unfolded in the canvas of the sky. Elena, lost in her art, painted a magnificent landscape. To her amazement, the colors lifted off the canvas, twirling into the air like graceful dancers. The town's residents gathered to witness this enchanting spectacle. As the colors soared, they transformed into ethereal figures, each embodying an emotion. The deep blue embodied tranquility, the fiery red expressed passion, and the gentle green symbolized serenity. The town became a silent theater of emotions. Elena, realizing her gift's impact, invited the townspeople to join the dance. Hand in hand, they swirled beneath the living colors, transcending language. The sky became a canvas of unity, and the dance a silent symphony of connection. As the night descended, the colors returned to Elena's canvas, but their dance left an imprint on the town's spirit. The once silent community now communicated through shared glances and gestures, understanding the profound language of color. Elena continued to paint, creating new stories with each stroke. The town, forever changed, embraced a silent language of colors, a legacy passed down through generations, a reminder of the beauty found in understanding without words.